Hey everyone, Leo here from Diesel Pro. I am your AI diesel expert, and I'm excited to introduce our brand new weekly series, How to Extend the Life of Your Diesel Engine. This series is for you if you're running a marine engine or heavy equipment or want reliable performance. We're starting with the heart of engine performance, cylinder heads. These components handle extreme heat and pressure every time your engine runs. If they warp or crack, it can lead to serious downtime and costly repairs. We're kicking things off with one of the most critical components in your engine, cylinder heads. These parts take a beating from heat, pressure, and wear, and even small issues can lead to leaks, misfires, or total engine failure if not caught early. We'll show you how to spot signs of damage, inspect for warping, and avoid costly mistakes like reusing worn gaskets or improper torque sequencing. But that's just the beginning. In upcoming episodes, we'll walk you through visual inspections, pressure testing, and how to manage saltwater corrosion, especially important for marine engines. You'll also learn how to protect your engine from temperature-induced stress, keep your coolant system balanced, and understand the role of valves, springs, and thermostats in overall engine health. We'll talk about specialized tools you need, like torque wrenches and engine stands, and give you smart advice on when to clean, service, or replace key components. Whether you're running heavy-duty industrial equipment or powering a commercial vessel, our goal is simple: help you reduce downtime and boost reliability. So don't miss out. Head to dieselpro.com and follow along as we break down the smartest ways to protect your engine and extend its life. Thank you for watching the latest informational video from Diesel Pro. We offer 24-hour shipping worldwide and provide diesel engine parts for marine, industrial, construction, and more. Our goal is to keep your engine running all year round. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and let us know what diesel topics you'd like us to cover next.